Handwritten, smudged and unidentified samples are a thing of the past, thanks to Brady's IP series printer system for laboratories. It's the complete labeling solution for any laboratory processing and identifying any number of samples. You no longer need to worry about lost or misinterpreted samples by using this innovative system. The Brady IP series printer system is a part of your complete printing solution. It's the first thermal transfer industrial printer that uses smart cell technology to automatically set up and calibrate the label material, ribbon and software. Printing sample identification really is as simple as load, click, print. Let's take a look at how this easy 3-step process works. Load the material into the printer. Using smart cell technology, the printer detects the material information and the LCD screen displays the necessary user information. It will show you which label and ribbon you have loaded and the remaining material left on the roll. The printer will automatically calibrate itself according to the materials loaded for optimal printing conditions. Should the ribbon and labels not match, the printer will inform you of the mismatch and recommend the correct consumable to load. The loaded software automatically recognizes the label and will display the correct screen for you to begin creating your identification. With thermal transfer technology that provides small text printing capabilities, it's possible to include more data on the labels, including 2D barcodes and multiple lines of alphanumeric characters. Some of our smallest labels can contain up to 20 characters. Labels are printed in seconds and are ready to apply to your sample immediately. Brady's full range of laboratory labels can be printed on the IP printer, and together with our ribbon materials are designed to serve all lab environments, providing the durability necessary for your sample identification. Capable of withstanding any lab processes including autoclave, hot water baths, -80-degree freezing, liquid nitrogen and exposure to chemicals such as xylene, DMSO and ethanol. Labels can be applied to your samples at any stage in your process. Brady freezer bonds adhere to already frozen samples. Lift the label off the liner and place on the sample. Press your thumb over the label to warm the adhesive, and the label will permanently adhere to your sample. Brady Stainer Bond slide labels can be applied pre-process and withstand most soaks and staining protocols. Archive slides are still perfectly legible after 20 years or more in storage. Vial top labels are a convenient way to label samples that are stored in freezer boxes, giving you instant identification without the need to remove the vial. Self-laminating or wraparound labels provide additional protection to your label legend from extreme temperatures, chemicals and solvents. This particular label is ideal for use where samples go through multiple freeze-thaw cycles. After the samples are identified with a Brady label, scan each label for its unique identification. The scanner will read the information and send it to the host system. Additional labels can then be printed directly from the Brady IP printer, which can automatically create the necessary number of children's sample labels for each sample. Thanks to Brady, you can now be confident that your samples are labeled clearly, accurately and efficiently with the Brady IP series printer system for laboratories.